Hello everyone. Today in this video I will discuss about some drawing toolbars and some commands that are used in different projects. So I will start here from line. So in this AutoCAD we have got two lines. One is simple line and other is polyline. The function of this both tool is to draw lines. Let's draw. After we will press escape, so it is breaked. Now we will draw polyline. To break it here, we will press escape button. Now what is the difference between these both lines? If we select this line, then it will be selected only this portion, but in this line if you select here, it will be selected all. Then what you get here, the main difference between this line and polyline is this is not continuous line, but this is continuous line. So if you select here only this portion, then this much only will be selected. So according to your need, you will select one of them. So it depends upon you which line you will select. So this is the main difference. So I am removing it now for now. Another function I will share with you here. Suppose I have drawn a line here. Now if you select from this side, sometimes all will be not selected. Look here, this is not selected, but if you come from right side, then all will be selected and you can delete simply. So that is the difference if you come from left side or you come from right side. Right side will be effective. Now I will show this circle tool. You can rapidly select any radius, but suppose I want to draw a circle of radius 45, then you have to type 45 here and press enter button. So you get 45. Here is the circle of radius 45. What you have to do, you have to select on circle tool and come into screen and left press one time, and you have to type here radius. Suppose I want a circle of 350 radius, so you get circle of 350 radius here. So in this way we can use circle tool. Now arc. You have different arc options here. Suppose I have selected here center, start, end. So here we have asked to specify the center point of arc. So specified. Now we have to here put any number, suppose 45, enter. Now angle they are asking, so I have put here 90 degree, so it gives arc like this. According to your needs, you can select any of the following arcs. Now for rectangle, you will select this tool. Here you will need 2 points. Suppose I give first 60, enter. Rectangle like this you will get. Now for ellipse, you can select any of them. Suppose I have taken this 45, here you need to give major axis length and minor axis length. So I have discussed here some of the tools, drawing tools. Now I will discuss here about some commands. So first command is copy and second is paste. How to copy? Suppose I want this ellipse multiple times in different place. So how I will copy this one to that places without drawing? So I have command copy, short form CO. So you get here copy, enter. Now I have to select the objects, so I have selected these objects, enter. Now it is asking about the base point. I will take base point as center, this one. Now you can take it anywhere you like to paste it. So suppose I am like here to paste, so one click here. Wherever you like to paste it, you can go there and just one click or left click of mouse. You can increase the size or decrease the size with the help of pan button, scrolling the pan button. And suppose you want to bring this object here. So what I am using here, pan button. Where is the pan button? It is the middle button of the mouse that you use to scroll, and other place where you get it is here. This is the pan option. You will select this and you can take objects anywhere. Now to remove this option, you will press escape button. Now the function of control and paste command is finished. Now we will also learn here about the move command. So I will type here MO, move. Sorry. Now I am liking to move this object, so I have selected this object, enter. Now I have to specify the base point, so I will select center as the base point. Now I will move it from here to here. So you can move objects from one place to another place typing M on this box. Type a command. Now other command is trim, fillet and extend. These three command is most important in this AutoCAD software. So for what reason we use trim, fillet and extend? So trim is used to remove the objects which meet the edges of other objects. Fillet is used to create rounded edges between the adjacent lines and faces. Extend is used to extend the selected boundaries or edges. So here I discuss about trim. So I have drawn a line like this. Any of figure I have drawn here. Now I will use here trim command. So trim, trim. So what? Select object to trim or shift select to extend or. So what is saying here? Select the objects that you want to trim. And what is the function of trim? Trim is used to remove the objects which meets the edges of other objects. So like this we can remove the objects that we don't want. Like this we can remove. So this is the function of trim. Now fillet. What is the function of fillet? It is used to create the rounded edges between the adjacent lines or faces. So I will draw here two adjacent lines. One line, another is adjacent lines. So I want here to create round edges between these two lines, two adjacent lines. So what we will use for that? We will use fillet command. F-I-L, here is F-I-L, fillet. So for this I want here rounded edges, yes. So I will need here radius. So I will specify here radius also. So R, enter. Now here we have asked to specify the fillet radius. So I will give here 350. Enter. Now first object, second object. You can see here this is converting, yes, from pointed edge to round edge. So in this way we can create round edge. Yes, I will show again. I will draw two adjacent lines. Now I am desired to draw rounded edge between these two adjacent lines. For that I will use command fillet. Now I will also provide here radius. This time I will give radius 600, and the next step is to select objects. Look, are you getting here? In this way you can draw rounded edge between two adjacent lines. And the next command is extend, and it is used to extend the selected boundaries or edges. Suppose I have here, I will press this 90 degree. After pressing this option, ortho, this is the ortho option. After pressing this ortho option, if you draw a line, then it will be drawn in 90 degree only. It means a straight line only. Look here, I am trying to draw in this direction, but it is not drawn, it is drawing a straight line only. So you get knowledge about ortho option also. So this is not my desired. Suppose I will draw a line like this, and another line like this. Now what I want here to do, that I want to bring this line to touch this line. I want this line to just touch this line. For that I will use extend command. So if I use extend command, this line will be extended to this line. So let's see how it works. Extend. So here it says boundary edges crossing mode project. Select the object to extend or shift. Select to trim or. So select this. Now this, see, magic, the line is extended up to this line. So in this way the extend command works. I will show again. I draw suppose line like this and another line like this. Now I want to extend this line up to this line, so I will use extend. Selected this object and this object. In this way we can extend this line. Now I will discuss next command, that is Excel. So what is the use of command Excel? Let's see. Excel, enter. Now it is used for drawing horizontal or vertical line. So Excel I have already entered. Now you are desired to draw horizontal or vertical. Suppose I want to draw horizontal line, so I will enter here as also as enter. So in this way we can draw horizontal line. So if you click one left click of mouse, so in this way we can draw. Suppose if you select offset of 800 next to this line, so it will be drawn like this. See, $400. See, now 1600. Okay, 9000. See, in this way we can draw lines. Now you are desired to draw vertical line, so first we'll escape all the command. Now XL, and then I am desired here to draw vertical line, so PE, enter. So in this way you can draw vertical line. Now I will provide offset 25,000. In this way you can draw lines. Now I will use here the command mirror also. Let's see what is the work of mirror command. Let me draw a triangle. See, this is the mirror image of this object. Now here asking erase source object or no, so I will select no. So you get here. So you don't need to draw this here also. If you draw half portion also, so after using the mirror command you can draw the mirror objects. Now I will also show you the rotate command, what this command do actually. So I will draw another triangle. Now I will use the rotate command. ROTAT, rotate. You're saying selecting the objects, so I selected the objects. Enter. Now you're saying specify the base point, so this is the base point. So in this way we can rotate. And where we will use this command, suppose we are designing the house plan, okay, and in that case ground floor plan, suppose we are designing ground floor plan, and in that case we are desired to draw door. Yes, let me close ortho mode. Suppose this is door in the ground floor plan, and this is door used in one door of the plan, and I need now this portion in this side. Okay, so I will not design the next door. What I will do is I will use rotate option and I will obtain that result. So let's see. Or I can use mirror image. In this way we can get. Now I will erase source objects. Yes. So I will get like this. this much for today. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that new videos will reach to you. Thank you.